Michelangelo allows users to easily query their data, and it is completely white label for the organization. As you can see in this demo, I've logged in and I'm looking at a sample data set of 99,999 constituents or donors. So when institutions users log in, they'll basically see their own color scheme over here, and the data owners can decide what all filters they want to make available to the end user. So in this sample data, I have some filters over here, like on entity, which is like on their donor database for record type or marital status, or their donor capacity or gender, or you can see address, census information, degree. So this is all customizable for the institution, where they can decide what all filters they want the end users to be able to query the data. The idea is that the end user can easily log in into the system on a self-service fashion, look at various attributes or filters of their donors, and easily generate a list of the donors for their specific activity or campaign. Like for example, I just want to get donors over here based on a specific record type. I can exclude everybody over here, and I can say I'm only interested in like the top 4 or 5 type of the record type. And when I click on apply filter, you will see over here now all of a sudden my record count has changed to over here 93,084. So I only am now interested in these record types of donors, and I can then actually maybe look at their net worth over here. So in this sample data, it shows me the net worth of these 93,000 individuals. And or I can go and say, okay, I'm interested in based on a location and address. So I'm only interested in people, donors who are living in or around New York. And let's say if I put a 45-mile radius. So give me folks who are in 45-mile radius, and now I can see there are now count over here around 2005, and I can uh, apply that filter. Sorry, 2105. Now you can see my entity count has reduced over here. Now I can say, okay, so now I know these record types and folks living in and around New York. And let's look at from the giving point of view, how much they have given to my organizations. Maybe, and I can see over here with various distribution, and I can say, okay, I'm only for interested in folks who have given 100,000 or less to the institution over their lifetime. Now I've applied that filter, and I got these 1,575. And maybe I also want to see when was the most recent gift given. So I am only interested in people who have been giving to the organization. Have not given this year, but have been giving in maybe in last 10 years or so. And I can say, okay, I'm only interested in these folks, and apply that as a filter, and it gives me 277 donors. And maybe if I want to see when was the first gift they have given, so I can see that, okay, this is a distribution, and most of them have given in 2018 or 2017. Or maybe I want to see from the degree aspect of it, which department degree they have, or when did they graduate. And I clearly don't have information for these 257 records. And these could be organizations also. And anytime I can click over here and see the IDs or specific information about those donors, and I can click on like apply filter. So now I've got these 20 individuals, and I can ready to check out, and I click on checkout over here. And this again allows the data owners to control what all fields the end users can download and see. So like over here, I have a sample data set output over here with bunch of fields about these individuals. And essentially what I have done in a matter of a minute or two, I was able to take my 99,000 individuals of my population, original population, and I said, okay, I'm only interested in folks who are a friend or an alumni or a corporation or a business, and then only want people who are in 45-mile radius of New York, and I've given 100,000 or less to the institution, but and I've not given this year, but have given their recent gift in last 8 to 10 years or so. And also about their degree information. So I was able to easily apply these complex filters or criteria, and now I can say I'm ready to download this list and maybe use this list for a specific purpose, for an email campaign or a marketing campaign, or reaching out to them, and and I can start using that list.